Welcome to today's DIY skincare recipe, a clarifying clay mask powder that's all natural, effective, and has a long shelf life in its dry form. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 1. Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth is a deep cleanser that helps absorb oil and tighten pores. 2. Orange peel powder is packed with vitamin C, helping to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. 3. Neem powder is antibacterial and great for fighting acne and calming inflammation. 4. Aloe vera powder adds a gentle, soothing touch and helps with hydration. 5. Licorice powder, also known as Melithi, helps lighten pigmentation and gives the skin a healthy glow. And lemon essential oil adds a fresh, citrusy scent and can help with skin brightening, though it's totally optional. Now let's get mixing. Take a big bowl. I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of licorice powder. This helps reduce pigmentation and gives the skin a natural glow. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder. It's rich in antioxidants and really helps brighten up dull or uneven skin. Now comes 2 teaspoons of neem powder, great for acne-prone skin, thanks to its antibacterial and soothing properties. Then I'm adding 1 full teaspoon of aloe vera powder, perfect for calming irritation and keeping the skin soft and hydrated. Time for the star of the mask, 4 tablespoons of Multani Mitti. This clay is fantastic for deep pore cleansing, oil control, and giving the skin a refreshed, matte finish. And finally, I'm adding 4 drops of lemon essential oil. This step is optional, but it adds a refreshing citrus aroma and can help with mild brightening. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, I'm giving everything a thorough mix to make sure the powders are evenly combined. Your clarifying clay mask powder is now ready. Store it in a clean, airtight container. It'll stay fresh and effective for several months. When you're ready to use it, just take about 2 teaspoons of the powder in a small bowl and slowly add rose water, enough to make a smooth, spreadable paste. Apply it evenly to your face, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week for clear, calm, and glowing skin, all naturally with ingredients your skin will love. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clean beauty DIY.